Welcome back to Aquatics Live YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and all that jazz. Pretty excited. We're actually doing an outside test today. Gonna drive it around. Got the vehicles here that I can kind of go behind if something goes bad. It's set up just full manual with the remote. So first I'm just kind of drive it around in this little area, and then if it goes well, I got a little camera mount on here, and maybe we can swap the camera onto here and take it for a little drive with the camera. So see how it goes. Oh, here we go. Hopefully this works. There we go. It's working. Oh. I set up some few breakers on there, so I'm thinking that's what just happened. So we'll see. Okay. Didn't expect to blow that one. All right, well, let's have to be a little more careful. Maybe it just vibrated though. I don't know. That's a 60 amp. And we still have nothing. Oh, I have the brake turned on. Okay. I think we'll do a little bit slower driving around. And alright, let's get you swapped into there and get the ride along here, see how it goes. Alright, let's get started. Go for a little drive with it.
popped a couple fuses, a couple breakers. So that's good. It's a good test for it. That was motors 3 and 4. Essentially, I just had front 2 working and none of the rears. Emergency brake is on, so it's safe to work on. And I got this box kind of just propped open so I can have these breakers in the fuse spots. Alright, let's give her another little drive and kind of put it away and make some upgrades and fixes. The stuff I just saw. That top breaker is gonna go Alright. Oh. Guys, I think we're all done now. I'm not switching mics or anything. I'm just, anyway, should work. Worked out pretty good. The couple fixes I need to do is the on the top of the toolbox. I have that breaker at the top there. I'm going to take that out of the system. I have a the BMS, the battery management system in there, has its own breaker built into it, electronic breaker. So I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of that. Plus, I knew it was going to be a bad idea after thinking about it. If you go out in the woods or something, stick falls on it, might turn it off, and I hate to have to go dig it. That, you know, if I'm driving it long distance away from me, I don't want to have to go in there and try to fix it and then go back out. So anyway, some fixes there. I do have each one of the wheels. I have a really low. I put a 7 or a 5 amp breaker in each one of the for the motors. I blew those a couple times. That was on purpose though. If something really bad happened and it rammed into something, I wanted it to stop working. So so that was a safety thing. I can switch those out to, well, I'm going to switch it out and just put regular fuses in there, like 10 amp ones. But I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to hit any problems, and it worked pretty damn good, so I'm not too worried about it. I got all the tires set at 5 psi, so they're pretty low pressure too. That might be something I want to put a little bit more in there yet. And it kind of feels like maybe we're more at 2 or something on this one here. So I'll have to go back and check them all. So that's a couple of things I want to do yet. I was running everything off of my quadcopter RC thing here. I have a couple things that are on this. This is the emergency brake, so when this is on, it has no power going to the wheels, and they're in the braking mode, so it's not going to roll around. And you know, once if something bad happens, I flip that switch on, it'll lock up all 4 and stop. So I did add another connection in here. I call it race mode, which I did a little bit there. That disengages the wheel braking when the wheels are slowing down, and also if I have it in emergency brake mode and I have the race mode on, when if I can go full throttle with it, then flip the brake off and it'll do a launch. So it's kind of a fun process. But yeah, I'm doing full manual on these tests. I have the GPS pieces and stuff separated out in the code, and that'll be something to do later. But just wanted to get this test in. It's pretty exciting for me. So hope you guys like it. So thanks.